By the end of this video, you will understand the exact framework and system we use to design the brands for some of the best brokers in the world. Hi, my name is Malik, and in this video, we are going to follow a real-life brand transformation journey of a client. This is the exact process we use for #1 Remax Residential, #1 Remax Commercial, and several top-ranked real estate teams. But before we get into this framework, I just want to mention you don't have to use brokerage colors, fonts, or brand psychology. In fact, most brokerage brands are enterprise and corporate, which is very different from a personal brand that is used to build trust, authority, and have a local connection to your audience. The client we are showcasing the transformation today is Sharon Wilson. She is based in Parry Sound, Muskoka, and specializes in lakefront properties, cabins, and vacation homes. And before we design anything, the client goes through a structured onboarding form to help us understand personality and communication style, market and property types, long-term business and marketing goals, and most importantly, how she wants clients to feel when they interact with her brand, whether it's a business card, a Google ad, or a social media content. This context is what drives every decision you're about to see. Branding is not about guesswork. Step 1, Moodboard. This is the most important step in the entire process. And this one step sets the tone, the trajectory, and the decision filter that everything follows. Most realtors skip this process and go straight to a logo design. And that's why most real estate brands feel inconsistent, unorganized, borderline poorly put together, and cheap. For Sharon, we created multiple Moodboard directions based on her onboarding responses, each representing a different way she could position herself in the market. Each Moodboard answers one simple question: how should a client feel when they experience this brand? I will show you more examples from past clients to give you more context and ideas for your brand. Pay attention to how different each brand feels even before the logo exists. This is all intentional. Step 2, logo design. Once the Moodboard and the direction is locked in, we move on to the logo designs. And here is where most realtors misunderstand branding. You don't need one logo, you need logo systems. There are 3 core logo types that every brand should have: icon, lettermark, and combination. And for realtors specifically, we recommend minimum 5 logos. You have the icon mark, the letter mark, and the combination already. Now we're going to combine it with brokerage letter mark logo. Think about Remax, or brokerage icon mark logo. So Remax balloon in that case. And some of our top clients use 10 to 15 different logos, which is not necessary, but it gives the brand the flexibility without breaking consistency. For Sharon, we designed 5 unique logo concepts. Once she selected the direction she liked, we refined it, made the changes she requested, and created every variation she would need to actually market her business. This is the difference between a simple logo and a logo system that works in real life. Before we move on to the next phase, if you need help with a new brand or website, or you want to refresh an old one, there's a link down below to get in touch with me directly. Back to the video. At this stage, we choose colors and typography for the brand. And this is a combination of cohesion, recognition, and personal taste. Colors and fonts are selected to support the chosen Moodboard, complement the logo system, and scale across print, digital, and video. For Sharon, we presented multiple Moodboards and font combinations. This is one of the biggest factors of keeping a brand consistent and cohesive. Step 4, brand guide. All brand elements are packed into a clear, shareable brand guide. This includes all the logo variations, color codes, fonts, usage rules, clear do's and don'ts. So when Sharon works with marketing teams, videographers, printers, or any other source to promote her business, everything follows the same rules and the direction. But wait, we are not done yet. This is where the actual work starts. Now we apply the brand across stationery, for sale and open house signs, buyers and seller guides, digital assets, Instagram templates, video templates, and so much more. This is where the brand turns into visibility, trust, and market presence. I will break down this entire process in a separate video. A well-designed, properly built, and thought-after real estate brand should last between 5 to 10 years unless something drastically changes within your business. It should help you look professional, well put together, trustworthy, and clearly position you above your competitors. And that's why branding, when done correctly, is the highest ROI investment you can make in your business for the next 5 to 10 years. And there you have it, the exact framework we use to build the brands for some of the best brokers. If you want to implement this framework properly, or if you want to work with us, there's a link down below. And next, the algorithm wants you to see one of these videos here.